Breakfast is the most important meal of the day and the perfect way to kickstart a healthy lifestyle. However, over 33 million Americans are estimated to skip this important meal every day. Since making breakfast can seem like a daunting task, here are 4 simple recipes that will show you how to make a heart-healthy and delicious breakfast in under 5 minutes. Banana French toast. All you need is a banana slice, eggs, and cinnamon. Cut the corners of each side of your slice of bread and cut a few slices of the banana. Layer small amounts of peanut butter on one slice of the bread and roll the banana and the bread into a small bun. Next, prepare your egg batter. Pour a dash of milk, a few eggs, and cinnamon in a bowl. Whisk until it's well blended, and dip your rolled egg French toast into this batter. Next, place on a heated frying pan and cook on each side until golden brown. This breakfast can be served with maple syrup or honey. Bell pepper eggs. Cut a few slices of your preferred choice of bell pepper and place into a frying pan. Add eggs, a dash of salt and pepper, and cook your eggs to your desired preference. You can serve this with a sandwich or on a side of toast. Fruit yogurt cup. Start with your favorite low-fat or plain yogurt and add a selection of your favorite fruits and vegetables. Include blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, and a few nuts for some protein and fiber is all you need, and you're all set. Avocado toast. Smash 1/2 of an avocado into a bowl, add a sprinkle of salt, and apply it to toast. This super simple breakfast is packed full of antioxidants and will keep you full throughout the day. Enjoy.